Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. They're in every town, everywhere. They're light poles, and Hapco has been manufacturing the highest quality aluminum poles for over 65 years. At their expanding world-class manufacturing base in Abingdon, Virginia, Hapco draws on advanced technologies and decades of experience to create superior street and area lighting products. Those include a broad selection of poles, decorative bases, and streetscape solutions. Hapco's engineering team will replicate or customize castings to match any architectural style or design. Hapco products are made using the finest raw materials. All light pole shafts are heat treated to meet ASTM specs. Operations fully embrace the principles of lean manufacturing and include automated powder paint lines, on-site fluting, and dedicated custom lines. Hapco's commitment to R&D can be observed in their fully equipped labs and testing facilities, resulting in efficient product designs and industry-first patents in breakaway safety and vibration control. Hapco's recent ISO 9001, 2015, AISC, and Certified Welding Fabricator certifications showcase the company's commitment to quality. Certified welders follow American and Canadian specifications, with poles meeting or exceeding American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials structural standards. Hapco's pioneering R&D, expert engineering design, and an emphasis on quality control can be validated with their industry-leading lifetime warranty on aluminum pole assemblies. Asked for by name by contractors and architects, Hapco's reputation for excellence makes them one of the most recognized and specified names in the light pole industry. For proven pole performance, visit Hapco.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.